Normal Kenyam, Biakamal Kenor online TV channel. Rajan Banywa Yakel Guasame, Tardan and Cup G SPLM IO Native Contin La Quarkit in Takaguas. Name Shakola Balgrega Dan Jito Guasame Ran Malka Milaran SPLM IO. Queer National Peace Building Minister Stephen Parkol charge yen national security. Manager which Rami Molet Kaku Malka Mi Yankaja Kir mayardit a Yankaja Yanji Laura Bang Kajino Jirami Lani Peace Building Ray Wika South Sudan Shirkamanen yana gwasame jen a minister dung national peace building Wika South Sudan. Kene national security kene mental ke transitional government. Yen jen national security. Guyen ede mi yan karan abaji yen. Ko jin ran jiran IO. Cause most of the people think quiet tema, ke GIO, ke kumayo yan komo, mekenya nangat. Nere content tere wiki juba, quick and con lat korodin cause some people there ke internet ne, no don't like konkula link ni information ke lare kona yalat, so none can get in con lat korodin. Anyok nere content la roanya no gwas me ko ba kul billing. Canadian content led which Kajuba should Canadian content la quar take a quarter let Ray Kumaka no dean and much a native more mitim chorala la canamala nung bajala na bajanga win mon chirkeme chador Dr. Machar charge a guladine as SPDF can a military do South Sudan charging in a money yeah so jen gwadan and la letter la kula jekaten bakul ngaji no ngumle road and tem right corner SPLM IO minister doing peace building Stephen Parkol cha yena kwa gwadan and cha nangten. This is the full fact, okay? Minister of Peace Building Stephen Parkol cha yen kachanga wan kachangder and National Security Service re which kajupa take a statement Kirin Mishala the first Vice President Riek Machar Kulel Ramadan la Lerela Kala the spokesperson Chelaro Stephen Parr again Secretary General National Transitional Committee Chaje yen Kiir mayardit Ray Wike Juba Kashang Kabakel Kapai Diok Ron Kina Dangro with the Jen Dangro with the ditch Jen Jaramodiodian Ray Kumaka Canadian content cha yen ka SPLM IO ko SPLM IO to one cha ka yen Aramodiodian again Kajan yan ka kor ka me shi kurcha to Ray Wiki Nasser ko range yen to ka Nasser gwasamo ajen wa yen SPLM IO shi ajeling na me ka Michael Makwelwes ka ti kona lat korodin me kurme to ka Greater Penal State ka Nasser Shwanatin Conti la SPLM IO Shwagurno Bakayen. Canada Shayen, the Minister of Petroleum Tethan, Potkang, Karamadan and la Military Chief General, Doblam. Mila SSPDF Deputy Chief Defense Force Bane, go take a good dangro. Ray Kumaka, SPLM IO Jen, a military chief. General Doblam, Jen Boka, SSPDF, Yogokum South Sudan Kelio, but we are Deputy Chief of Different Forces. Rajame Shalat, Katadan and Titi Chikatu Janyok, Michael Makwello Chakalarity already. A generati is she can tamper with low. She can what you can get totally and down a yankake. What to quite what down a bigotin. So, and Koran down to we can answer a woman nang SPLM IO. Kashajalar. Jason Borno, nay, gang ne munda, gang ne dora, gang ne gad ko, gang ne weda. Ko kuumɛ Kiir mayardit cha dier kane. So that was the reason. anyong muguri no bi article ko ki bi akoling ko ci kana larkin ma yadi kem yadi cha jok ngaje you know all the information tin cha jak ne ko la jesin bor ano go na ni unified force abe rewu chine lungnu kume bare unified force abe ko unified force jen cha dinge je lo ka ne ko ne banaka but it was turned down by them. Yeah, she kind of look. So she go bomb lark no sha mot me sha your pin kume kirme yadit sha jade nyok mulo ke jok. Eko order mi cha to ba je yik implement. Jeni sha nen chi jejen borke wa am shu kan look manan le road. That was the reason. And tama man could do work kan dia la ti kwa ka kaf ke shon ware. Ka ba ke manan ji to ka nasr re we ka nasr. So jen man to kan men tama. Cha kam no ko lora bang ko ke SPLM IO kap ko ken kanore. That's the reality behind this. Chana rajme chana kwen ka kui kabdana cha kap with me Minister of Peace Building Stephen Farquhar. The Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM IO has claimed that Minister of Peace Building Stephen Farquhar was arrested on Thursday afternoon by the National Security Service. According to a statement from First Vice President Riek Machar's spokesperson, Stephen Parr, who is also the Secretary General of the National Transitional Committee, was taken into custody. Thought the government has yet to confirm his arrest. He is the third senior SPLM IO official to be detained this week following violent clashes in Nasser Upper Nile State between South Sudan People Defense Forces and SPLM IO allied militias. Other detainee officials include Minister of Petroleum Potkang and SPLM IO Military Chief General Duop Lam, who also serves as the SSPDF Deputy Chief Defense Forces. Speaking at a press conference on Wednesday, government spokesperson Michael McQuay confirmed that the arrest of SPLM IO officials, stating they were in conflict with the law. Janana chalar Michael McQuay wetanamo. Jani ne rekon yanke chicken what chicken atol ke chika wa against law. So eke jitar nguda. Angu chalar jeno ne ti ke jitar kirma yadi ron. Ko janta dana tere yike juba. So what I know so far, SPLM IO chicken forget and oken matikre wiki juba mon oken ke jitar kirma yadit. They forgot that. Ko jinminge jeti wantera la generate whatever comes your way, you have to defend yourself. But right now, they are vulnerable. Cause nakin and like general tin kon boom can long time. Can dial chaka yen. Alright? So no me tell more than kujimi chaka yen right now, right corner. You know, all the tops officers SPLM IO. And most of them can worry. One in Werthen. So a Maladian, they could detain a Rewika Juba. Mishane kun chaka yen. Right now within Juba, so the insecurity, of course, need one quite on large Korean. But the entire dana to okay 2013. 2013 the Ram Lincoln outside of Juba. Natiling Roinik and the Alcanita con interar, telling Roinica information con nonga. Many mention much or Yorko Guazidan Quantuco take a vice president Jaquan. You know. So I know Buj but take a vice president to one to na gailong. To win Moncho Gajan or they come take a vice president to one. Right now, as we speak, South Sudan take a chaos, take a condition. Menudo, she peace charges sabotage, charge a yar. A kum kirmayadit. Ko wherever kirmayadit, Michelle troop the charges send kitch a jade jackton. A general banabaganak, bedul bagachat, shed deer, boganak helicopter, bogagat committed it. So this is what is happening right now. Ka great happen our state. Western Bargazal, Western Equatoria. So all these are effect. So and around there, a lot of no me she talk about reality. Get a call lot Korean. When you look at all these things that are happening right now, they imagine already take a guadadian. So imagine mishi information which you collect. So me jiram mashiro ane larwana gurgwas meka Nuer online TV channel. They imagine all the problem tint walk and tamare which South Sudan. A Western Bargazal, a Western Equatoria, a Great Upper Nile State. Mishu Jigga Jabora Wika Southern Bujigolone the corner Ryok na long. Came more like a greater people administrative area. Coconut Corner use a Michael McQuail was connected mayadit. So whenever there is a problem, these are the people to buy Jagaken. Michael McQuailwes Canadian Kim Yadit ko bikan Nuer bikan gonek ka ko bakia ka jonglei. So they are targeting Nuer people because God can abduct bikan God can kwal nanka noka na. So now the Nuer baga jag busy. We can forget no take way they not shingede because right now even we should can land tell a dul wall to go tell a wall tell dul gormogwa all this tell a good road one. So ten insecurity thing caused by the South Sudan government. So Misha Nati Chagu Yantama, what do you think is the outcome of all this? Misha Quar Tin Kon la Quardi Nika SPLM IO Shaka Yen. So let's say this SPLM IO then the main party may jen Kimante ke ter ke kum mayardit. So whatever happened, major collapse, which means that the whole society collapse. This is reality. Lara you talk. You know. Ko keti dia chakalas online, ngai keti kon lat Korean. If SPLM IO collapse, other people are next. So tell me shalamara wika South Sudan. Then guyen kiir mayardit the negan wariko is doing expansion ala larke no biwi bika keb yom che keb biko larto I conquer all the opposition. So binan we should tell say the channel can right bi mon bawo. How do I have to compete with the person metel support ke yentone cha ye dismantle already ko shi anga manana be. So kiir mayardit melade kana ser ngeje lord melade greater apuna state ngeje lord melade ka western equatoria melade ka western bagazal ngeje lord. Okay, so Canadiality tin nakatini kuumɛ kiir mayardit tikatini ngada medana chitok nakana ke 2013 chikon kuji medana yitok. So shapela na mola no te ke 2018 2018 mishamal chalar ke jen kuna focus tino e revitalized peace agreement and all that e ba queen gwini ba jalat queen gwini ki queen kwar la jalat kan min me pinte kamal amponi kiir mayardit chelo no ba mal ba jalat ba queen gwini ba jalat ka dwale she dwal ka jeno mo wa ngaye je gwano wo misha queen gwini ke queen kwar cha jalat ke 2013 edan che the path. This was the fear of leaving the seat, the fear of failing from the leadership, the feeling the ko feel ke jeno wo jeno ba je wo kwar. So this is why kiir mayardit is targeting the Nuer people. If you don't get it, forget about it. So amutiten right now, I'm going to SPLM IO, the main party. Man could take a brand to Shibarare, me could also done a job of a ray core. Was it an Akanwerikaja? Mishane Kuyanata, what do you think is the way out of all this? Another Jaguano and Wunene. SPLM IO can fail. Tell SPLM IO kid going faction, Jatan. SPLM IO kid going faction, different than SPLM IO mental doctrine Machatan, a different thought. SPLM IO kid going faction, a genuine Mumisha Dang Juba. This is what the reason. That's it. SPLM IO janitor to the alakalar kamal. That was the point. Again, gap down the thing. Otherwise, all this SPLM IO stuff, all of them are the same people. It doesn't matter whether Chaka Yang SPLM IO, they're still kuumɛ Simon Gadu Jolan Chalka SPLM IO bane. In the end of the day, can the alkanwari. So remember Jalung or Mokwanwer Kuala target. So agenda on a bit chicken and lero and tamari juba quite target and worry. So this is one thing that you should know. So ban jigal radian mijiram jedit subscribe ku notification bell ku etwan ko bilere kono bano ngwasme bikan chamala shukuji and biata kamal bye bye.